First-time cruisers make these 12 mistakes. Avoid them. 4 to 5 minutes. Viral hooks, smooth pacing. Opening hook. If you're going on your very first cruise, stop. Because most first-time passengers make the same 12 mistakes. And they end up wasting money, missing experiences, and ruining their trip. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. 1. Arriving on the same day as the cruise. New cruisers think they can fly in the morning and board in the afternoon. Bad idea. Flight delays can make you miss the entire cruise. Always arrive one day before. 2. Booking the cheapest cabin without checking the deck map. That great deal cabin, it might be above a nightclub, under the gym, or beside crew access doors. Know your deck layout before booking. 3. Overpacking or underpacking. First-timers bring their whole closet, but forget essentials like chargers, motion patches, or formal clothes. Cruise ships charge premium prices for forgotten items. 4. Ignoring the muster drill. It's boring, sure, but skipping or not paying attention can get you in trouble, and it's the only time you learn real emergency instructions. 5. Using cell data at sea. Big mistake. You'll return home to a bill that looks like a car payment. Turn on airplane mode once you board. 6. Not booking shows and restaurants. Early popular shows, fine dining, and pool seats fill fast. First-timers expect everything to be available anytime. But on a cruise, early booking equals smart booking. 7. Eating only at the buffets are convenient. But most ships have free specialty restaurants, cafes, snacks, and hidden food spots. Buffet-only travelers miss out big time. 8. Not researching ports of call. Some ports are safe, some aren't. Some are expensive, some amazing and cheap. A little research can save you time, money, and stress. 9. Paying for expensive excursions without checking alternatives. Cruise line excursions are safe, but also pricey. Local tours can be half the price. Just make sure the timing fits so you don't get left behind. 10. Forgetting sunscreen and seasickness remedies. Onboard prices are crazy high. Bring your own sunscreen, anti-nausea bands, and motion patches. 11. Missing the sunrise and sunset at sea. First-time cruisers sleep in and miss the most magical part of sailing. Set an alarm at least once. You won't regret it.